sight words. What is meant by sight words? Sight word means nothing else. We can see and pronounce. How can we pronounce? Let us see. I will introduce some words. Those are sight words. Sight words means see and say. Okay. Now see here. I am going to explain. Introduce some words. See. What is the letter? What is the letter? A. A. N. Okay. A. N. How can we pronounce? An. A. N. An. Okay. A. N. An. T-H-E. The. What is the pronunciation? The. T-H-E. The. The. Again, listen carefully how I pronounce the word. Okay? T-H-E. The. Okay? Next. A-N-D. See how I joined the words and how I pronounce the words. Listen carefully. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. Okay. W-A-S. See, W-A-S. How can we pronounce? Was. Was. Okay. What it is? I-S. Is. I-S. Is. Okay. T-H-I-S. What it is? T-H-I-S. This. T-H-I-S. This. Okay. T-H-E-S-E. These. T-H-E-S-E. These. C-A-N. Can. How can we pronounce? C-A-N. Can. See, what is the pronunciation? C-O-U-L-D. How can we pronounce? Here in this word, this L is silent letter. How can we pronounce? Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. First class children, listen carefully. How I pronounce the word? C-O-U-L-D. Could. Don't pronounce could, could. Some of the children, whenever they are reading the paragraph or sentences, they are pronouncing the word could. Is it correct? No. Here, C-O-U-L-D. Could. What is the pronunciation? Could. Here, L. This L letter is silent letter. Okay? Like that. See, W-O-U-L-D. What is the pronunciation? Is it would? No, would. How can we pronounce? Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Again, W-O-U-L-D. Would. Okay. What is this? Will. W-I-L-L. L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. Okay. Next, listen carefully. I-T. What is the pronunciation? It. I-T. It. Okay. A-T. At. See the pronunciation. I-T. It. It. I. It. A-T. At. A-T. At. Okay. Y-O-U. What is this word? U. How can we pronounce? Y-O-U. U. Y-O-U. U. Okay. See here. A-R-E. R. What is the pronunciation? A-R-E. R. A-R-E. R. Okay. W-E-R-E. Ver. W-E-R-E. Ver. Okay. W-E-R-E. Ver. Some of the children, they are pronouncing this one where. That is wrong. Not where. Ver. Ver. W-E-R-E. Ver. Once again, I will show the words and I will pronounce the word. Listen carefully. Okay? A-N. These are sight words. What are these one? These are sight words. Sight word means see and say. See how I pronounce the word. Listen carefully. Okay? A-N. An. What is the pronunciation? An. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. How I pronounce? A-N-D. And. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. Was. Okay. I-S. Is. I-S. Is. T-H-I-S. This. What is the pronunciation? T-H-I-S. This. T-H-E-S-E. These. T-H-E-S-E. These. C-A-N. Can. C-O-U-L-D. Could. What is the pronunciation? Could. Don't spell the word could. Okay? I saw so many children are pronouncing this word could. Is it correct? No. C-O-U-L-D. Could. What is the pronunciation? Could. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Okay? W-O-U-L-D. Would. W-I-L-L. Will. I-T. It. See the difference. I-T. It. A-T. At. I-T. It. A-T. At. Okay. Y-O-U-U. Y-O-U-U. A-R-E-R. What is the pronunciation? R. A-R-E-R. W-E-R-E. Ver. W-E-R-E. Ver. Is it clear? Do you know how to pronounce these words? Okay. Now, I am going to explain the difference between this and these. Okay? This and these. I will show you some examples. Some toys also. Do you like toys? Okay. See, when we use this and these. Today I am going to explain about when we use this and when we use these. What is the difference between this and this? First I will show you. This is a toy. This is a toy. Listen carefully. I frame a sentence. What it is? This is a toy. See. This is a toy. Okay. See. I frame one sentence. Already I told you what is the meant by sentence. A group of words. It gives a full meaning, that is called a sentence. See, with the help of the toy, I frame one sentence. Okay. This is a toy. This is a toy. How many toys are here? Only one. Here only one thing. That's why I use this is. This is a toy. Okay. See here. How many toys are here? How many toys? 1, 2, 3. More than one. If the thing is only one, we should use this. If the thing is only one, we should use this. And helping verb also we should use only is. Why? Because the thing is only one. This is a toy. Here, how many toys are here? More than one. More than one. 1, 2, 3 toys are here. If the thing is more than one, we should use these. These. Why? Because the thing is more than one. The thing is more than one. Here see, these are toys. Is it clear? See here, when I use this and when I use these. Listen carefully. If the thing is only one, we can use this. And the helping verb also we use is. This is a toy. This is a toy. Okay. If the thing is more than one, we can use these. That is the difference between this and these. Okay. These are toys. I will show you one more example. See, what is this? Book. Okay. This is a book. Why? Because only one. The thing is only one. This is a book. This is a book. If the thing is only one, we should use this. Okay. Already in previous class I told you when we use is and when we use are. Is we should use only for singulars. Only for singulars. This is a toy. Here only one toy. Here this is a book. Book is only one book only here. That's why I use is. If the thing is more than one, we called as plurals. Already I explained singular, plurals. What is the difference between singular and plural? What is the difference between singular and plural? Singular means the thing is only one. Plural means the thing is more than one, we called as plural. Okay. See, this is a book. This is a book. Here see, how many books? These are books. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are books. The thing is more than one. The thing is more than one. That's why here I use these. These are books. Books. See, these are books. Do you understand? Is it clear? This is a book. Only one book. That's why I use here this and is. This is a book. The noun also come only one. Here, these are books. Whenever we use these are books. Here the thing is more than one. So many books I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. Okay. One more example. See, this is a spoon. How many spoons are here? How many? Only one spoon. That's why I want to write this is a spoon. Okay. Here, see, these are spoons. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spoons are there. The thing is more than one. That's why here I use these are spoons. These are spoons. Do you understand? Is it clear? When we use this and when we use these, this we should use for singulars and near things only. This is a spoon. This spoon is near to me. Okay. These are spoons. These are more than one. The thing is more than one. These are spoons. This and these also we should use for near things only. The thing is near to us. Near means, for example, near opposite, far. Far means duram. Near means daggara. Okay. If the thing is near to us, we should use this or these. And one more important thing, if the thing is only one, we should use this. Okay. If the thing is more than one, we call it as plurals. Already I told you singular and plurals. If the thing is more than one, these. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now I will give some sentences. Okay. You use whenever you use this and these. I will give some sentences. Use this and these. Okay, is it clear? Day wise you should complete your homeworks and send me. Okay, don't postpone the work. Don't be lazy. Daily we are giving 3 or 2 works only. Okay, complete those works and send to me. And some parents made a call and told me our kids are not waking up early. Why? School is going on. See, classes are started. Exact 9:30 you should be in front of our classes. Don't be lazy. Okay? Now, see today's homework. This, these. What is the pronunciation? This, these. This, T-H-I-S, this, T-H-E-S-E, these. Okay? And whenever you write the sentence, first letter should be capital letter. Some of the children send the homeworks, but they didn't use capital letters in the beginning. Is it correct? No. In English, whatever it may be, science, social, English, first letter you should write capital letter only. That is the important rule in English. Okay? First letter you should write capital letter. Here see, dash is a pen. Here pen is only one thing only. Which one comes? This or these? Select from this and write down. Write the blank. Here see, once again I will read the sentence. Dash is a pen. Is the thing singular or plural? Singular. Which one we should use? Okay, this. Okay, dash or apples. Is the thing singular or plural? The thing is more than one. Apples, not apple. I gave here apples. Okay, that means apples, plural. If it is plural means which one we should use? See and write. Dash is a fan. Is it singular or plural? Singular. Think and write. Dash is a bat. Okay, bat. Bat. Is it singular or plural? Singular. Okay, choose the option and write. Dash or mangoes. Dash or mangoes. Here, mangoes. Is it singular or plural? Plural. Which one we have to write? See and write. Dash or toys. Dash or toys. Means here toys singular or plural? Okay, plural. See the option and write neatly. And see, try to speak in English only. Okay, whatever it may be, whether it is right or wrong, try to speak in English. Gradually, your English communication skills are improved. Okay, today this is the English homework. After writing this homework, send to me. Don't forget it. Thank you. బాగా ఉంటుందా క్లాసు? అమ్మయ్య, ఒకటి అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటి 11 ఉంది. ఇలాగా ఏసీ ఉంటే